Assalamualaikum friends. Let us learn the numbers. 1, 2, 10. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will count with some fruits names. Here we go. 1, mango. 2, apples. 3, orange. 4, banana. 5, strawberries. 6, watermelon. 7, coconut. 8, kiwi. 9, raspberries. 10, cherries. Let us friends, now we count to gain some knowledge. 1. God, that's mean the creator of the world is only one. Allah is one. 2 times the circle of day and night. 3 questions. The questions that will be asked to us in the grave. 4 books. Do you know friends? The holy books are 4. 5 prayers. The obligatory prayers are 5 that we perform a day. 6 days. As we know, the creation of the earth is made by Allah in 6 days. 7 skies. Do you know friends? The number of skies is 7. 8 doors. 8 doors of heaven. Heaven is the place where good people will enter after death. 9 Arsh. The area that starts after skies is called Arsh. 10 nights. The blessing nights of Zilhaj are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,